y'all, it's Wander Woman CT. I'm here with my friend Jen and my German Shepherd Vaughn. It's a late afternoon in Connecticut. We just both finished a work day, so we're gonna go for a quick, beautiful hike here in Canton, Connecticut at the Roaring Brook Nature Center. we just finished our hike. We're at Roaring Brook Nature Center in Canton, Connecticut. So we ended up taking the red trail to the yellow trail and back to the red trail. The signs are very visible throughout the trails. The trees are marked well. Great hike. I'm gonna say all ability levels. It's, you know, it has some hills, nothing too crazy. There are kind of a lot of rocks. It really, the only thing is the terrain gets a little rough. Nothing, you know, we couldn't handle at least. The trail is narrow, but my friend Jen and I and my German Shepherd Vaughn did just fine. I will provide a link to the leash that we used today. It's a hands-free leash, goes around my waist and connects to Vaughn's harness. Goodbye. Oh, Bunny, over here. There you go. Good boy.